Okay. Enough playing with a tiny, cute little chicken, right? Hi. So today is going to be like a cutie, shorty, hopefully a one-day make type of situation. One of my best friends has a little girl who's about to turn 2. It is the same little girl from the quilting video that I haven't put out yet, who wasn't born when that video was made. So that's about the speed that I'm going at with getting these YouTube videos out, which is to say she'll probably be 4 by the time this makes it onto the internet. But as for now, she's about to be 2, and she really loves chickens. They have chickens. She calls them bucks, which is perfect. No notes, don't ever change. And so today I'm hoping to make her a little stuffed chicken friend that she can carry around with her, her own little buck. So, wow. The birds are loud now, enjoy them. So the pattern I got was off of Etsy at a shop called Moo Made. I'll link it down below. But it's a cute little chicken pattern that we're gonna use. It is originally to make it entirely out of felt, which would be easier, but I have a bunch of beautiful leftover cotton fabric from that quilt that I made for this child before she was born. So we're gonna use that instead. So I'm gonna alter the pattern a little to handle a fabric that frays. Probably add some seam allowance and that sort of thing. It should be cute, it should be simple. Come along with me while we make a little friend for my little friend, and then we can give it to her and it'll be really cute. It's gonna be really cute. So come on, let's go do it. next day, and things are looking very cute. It's so nice. Come on. Look at this friend. Look at this little butt. It's so cute. I can't take it. Raging success so far. The pattern's been great. So, just a few things to point out. Look at these extremely nice little feet. Oh, the little boop, boop, boop. And then in the beak. Oh, it's cute. So, here's what's left to happen. This is supposed to get cut into little sections. So is the tail, boop, 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 to make little feathers. And then same around the little leggies, choom, choom, choom. So we have to cut those. And then I have her little wings. And so these need to get hand stitched and then put on, and her eyeballs put on. So this is a very nice buck buck from my friend who likes buck bucks. All right, let's finish this lady up. Let's finish this lady up. So he's very upset to be alone. He's a people person. He's a people person. He's very nice. Needy, but nice. I'm here with the final result. I'm at my friend's house and we're gonna give this new little friend to my little friend. So let's take a look. I put it in a cute little bag. Oh, come on, this is not the cutest thing you've ever seen. Look at this nice friend. I love it so much. She turned out so good. I've never made a tiny little creature, so I'm like very, very happy with how this went. Very finicky, very fiddly. The hardest part was definitely transforming the pattern from something made out of felt into something made out of like a woven that frays. So that took a little extra brain power, but Otherwise, it's the most perfect friend. I love how much it looks like a chicken. I mean, like, this pattern is amazing. You should go buy it. Look at this cutie pie with the little hand sewn wings and all the little fringe detail. Oh, the little butt, chicken butt, perfect chicken butt. A chicken for a chicken lady, right? Let's take a look at some beauty shots, some glamour shots of our glamour girl. All right, come on. Okay, some chicken smooches for you. Let's put our little lady in a gift bag and go give it to our friend. Let's go, let's go, let's go. There's a present for you.
A present?
Yeah. Yeah! It's a backpack! Bark, bark. You Oh, good job.
Chicken.
Chicken. That was very good. There he is. I know, there are the eyes. Yeah, with your new friend Chicken. Oh, I'm sorry. Excuse me. Lunchtime.